Beetroot isn't just colorful, it's packed with benefits. From boosting energy to glowing skin, this simple drink can do wonders. Let's get started. So first things first, let's talk about ingredients. You will need some apples, you can use pineapple in place of it, one medium-sized lemon, some carrots for extra taste and nutrient, and our beetroot. The beetroot should be firm and strong. Also ginger. Trust me, ginger takes the drink to another level. Now wash your beetroot thoroughly because they grow underground and can be quite earthy. Okay? After that, peel the skin lightly and chop them into small cubes so your blender doesn't get overwhelmed. Next comes the apple, and this part is important, okay? So wash your apple properly, then cut it open. You will notice the hard middle part with seed. We don't want that in our drink, okay? So carefully slice around the core and remove the seeds. Not only are the seeds bitter, but they can also spoil the smooth texture of our juice, okay? Once the core is out, chop our apple into smaller cubes so it blends easily. And then now let's prepare our lemon. Give it a quick wash and then peel off the outer skin. The peel can be bitter and we don't want that in our juice, okay? Once peeled, cut the lemon into smaller sizes so it can be easier to blend in our blender. This way, you get the maximum juice out of it without the bitter taste of the rind. And now to the ginger. Ginger has a thin skin that is easy to scrape off with a spoon or a knife. Okay, so after peeling, slice it into small pieces. Smaller pieces blend better and release that warm spicy flavor evenly. And to our last ingredient, which is carrot. Wash it well, peel off the outer skin, okay? Then cut your carrot into smaller pieces because carrots are quite firm, and if you put them in the blender in large chunks, it struggles to break them down. Okay, so cutting them smaller makes blending smoother and faster, and it will also give you a nice even texture in your drink. Now that everything is set, let's bring them all together, okay? So add your chopped beets, carrots, ginger, lemon and apple into the blender, okay? Add about 2 to 3 cups of cold water into the blender and cover it up and blend until it is very smooth, okay? Can you just look at that deep rich ruby red color? That's nature paintbrush at work, okay? Once it's nice and smooth, strain it if you prefer a lighter juice, or just drink it like that if you love it thick and fibrous. For me, I prefer it light and smooth, so I have to strain it of every fiber. Here is why this beetroot drink is so powerful. It boosts your energy, support heart health, keep your skin glowing, aid digestion and even help detox your body. All that goodness in just one glass. And that's it. Your refreshing beetroot drink is ready. If you have got a sweet tooth, you can drizzle in a little honey for extra flavor. And here is a tip. If you make more than one glass, don't worry. Just store the leftover in the refrigerator. It stays fresh and chilled for later. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more healthy recipe, and share it with someone who loves natural drinks. Cheers to good health. I will see you in my next video.